Stock market tips everyone should know about. There is always a way that you can make extra money, and one of the ways that you can make a lot of money over an allotted period of time is through the stock market. If you are interested in the stock market, then take a look through this video and the tips present, if you want to learn how you can find success. Keep in mind that investing should not be treated lightly. Banks treat stock market investing seriously, and so should you. Even though one may first think of the stock market as gambling, it is more serious than that. Take the time to understand thoroughly everything about the companies that you are investing. Be mindful of a stock's history, but do not count on it as a future guarantee. No matter how good a track record a stock might have in the record books, the future is unwritten. Stock prices are determined by estimations of company earnings in the future. Strong historical performance is a good indication, but even the greatest of businesses can slide. Likewise, a stock that costs only a few dollars might be quite pricey if the associated company's earning projections are not bright. Looking back at how much you knew before watching this video, do you feel like you learned a few things that you can use in order to find success with the stock market? If you now know at least one more thing than you did before you watched this video, then that's a step towards success. Now, do your best to learn as much as you can about the stock market, so that you can apply it when you start. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.